In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive. Let's start by opening OneDrive, either in your web browser or through the desktop or mobile app. Sign in with your Microsoft account to get access. Most accounts include a bit of free cloud storage to get you started, which is perfect for testing things out. Once you're in, you'll see your OneDrive home, where all your files and folders will live. To upload files to OneDrive, you can do it two ways. First, use the Upload button, then choose whether you're adding individual files or an entire folder, and select them from your computer. The second method is even faster. Simply drag files from your desktop directly into your OneDrive window, and they'll begin uploading. You'll know it's working when you see progress indicators, and once finished, your items are safely stored in the cloud. Now, the best part of cloud storage is access anywhere. Open OneDrive on your laptop, phone, or tablet, sign in with the same account, and your files will be there. This is especially helpful for remote work or when you're on the go and need something quickly. If you prefer your files to sync automatically with your computer, open the OneDrive desktop app, sign in, and choose which folders you want to keep in sync. A OneDrive folder will appear in File Explorer on Windows. Anything you move into that folder will upload to the cloud, and changes you make will stay up to date across devices. You can also save files straight to OneDrive from your apps. When you're ready to save, choose Save As, pick OneDrive as the location, select the right folder, and click Save. This backs up your work immediately without any extra steps later. Sharing is simple. Right-click a file, select Share, and either copy a link or enter an email address. Before sending, pick whether people can only view the file or if they can edit it. This keeps control in your hands while making collaboration easy. Speaking of collaboration, OneDrive works seamlessly with Word, Excel, and more. Multiple people can work on the same file at once. You'll see edits appear live, and you can leave comments to keep the discussion in one place. To manage storage, go to Settings, then Storage. Review large items, delete anything you no longer need, and don't forget to empty the recycle bin to free space. If you need a local copy, select a file or folder and click Download. Folders may arrive as a zip file you can extract. Finally, if you don't want automatic backups for your desktop, documents, or pictures, open OneDrive settings, go to Sync and Backup, and turn those locations off. This gives you finer control over what's syncing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with OneDrive.